Ingredient: 2 cups ready-made crepes flour, 3 cups of milk, 60 grams of melted butter, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Tips for filling crepes: fresh fruit, strawberry, blackberry, raspberry, etc. And milk caramel, Nutella, Hawaii strawberry or jam sauce, um, cream cheese. Preparation: Step 1. Mix the ingredients in a container until zero lumps are left. Step 2. Heat the pan or crepe pan to 250 degrees and expect butter around so that the dough does not stick. Step 3. Once the pan is hot, lower the temperature to 200 degrees to start preparing the crepes. Step 4. With a ladle, take 65 grams of crepe dough and put it on the pan. Then you should expand the dough throughout the pan and let it cook for a few seconds. Step 5. Turn crepes. Place the salad ingredient. In this case, the choice was cream cheese and strawberry jam. Step 6. After spreading the cheese inside the crepe and proceed to give another turn to the crepe, and this time in the form and a triangle and place jam. Step 7. The crepe is completely closed in the form of a triangle. Then we take the cone and proceed to insert the crepe into the cone. Step 8. Finally, it is served in the cone. Finally, we enjoy the delicious crepes.